My name is Dipans. I study in class third. Our Earth is surrounded by layer of air called the atmosphere. The conditions of the air that surrounds the Earth over a short period of time is called the weather. The average weather conditions of a place over a long period of time is called climate. The weather changes from day to day and hour to hour. This change in weather is caused by the sun, wind, cloud, and rain.